Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mandeep Prahar and we are doing binary search. In the binary search, we did all the previous question. Now we are on the our next question, which one is check if sorted and rotated using by binary search. Okay. So in this question, what he said to us, first check this one is a rotated array. Okay, a rotated sorted array means we need to find that this one is rotated or sorted array or not. If it is yes, then yes. If it is no, so then we print no. So that's all in this question. We did previous 2 and 3 questions, which one same like this. So in this same approach, we apply on those question and though this approach we are also going to apply in this question. So first of all, we will find our lowest value, means minimum value into our array by using binary search. Okay, which one is 1? Okay, after find lowest value in the our array, then we will compare all. Then what we will do? We will find this array is sorted or not. So for this, what we will do? We find 1. Okay, then we compare it with next element. 2. It is less than 2, that is okay. Then again we compare with 3. 2 is less than 3, yes, means we compare it. If any point we find it, this is greater than, then we will return this is not sorted, otherwise it is sorted. So first we will find our pivot point, and after that we will see. So this one is the input part, scanner, and length of our array is 6, then our whole array, and after that I print is sorted and rotated array, and where I take as the argument a and n. A is the array and n is the length. So same take, I took a and n, and now I am going to find our pivot point. We did already in previous question, so I am not going to too much explanation right here about what is pivot point and how we are find it. Okay, and then we are going to while low is less than high, then we will find our mid. Low is low plus high minus low, and after that if condition. And in the if condition, I am not explaining, but I will explain again for you, bro. Mid is greater than our a dot high, then our low equal to mid plus 1, else our high become mid. So once more case, and pivot point equal to low. So this one is the index of the our lowest value, minimum value into our array. So what we are did in this question, I am going to explain again. If you are a new member, if you see already previous video, then you can skip 1 2 minute only. But you can understand better if you see this video. So what we will do? So now we have midpoint. Midpoint is like this: low, high minus low. Okay, I didn't. Okay, by 2. I missed it. Sorry. So yes, now first we will see what is our midpoint. Midpoint is 0, 5. 5 plus 0, 5 by 2. 2 means 2.5. It will take 2 because we are using at here int. So what is our point at 2? 2 is 7. So we will compare with our high. Okay. And in the if we our high is n minus 1 means 2. So then we will check it is less than or greater than. It is greater than 2, means that our lowest, if it is greater than 2, means the whatever come before the 7, all the value are also greater than 2. So that's why our low come at this position. Okay, low, mid plus 1. or else our high become width. Okay, so that's all in the explanation. That's why we use yeah. So if we have our low point, then now we need to check our array is sorted or not. So for this I am going to apply for loop, and I equal to 0, and I should be less than n minus 1. I Yeah, okay. Hmm, I plus plus. So now we will compare with our current index and our next index. So what will be the current and next index? So current index is like that, our pivot point plus I, or then we use reminder for n, and our next index should be like this, hmm, plus 1. Why we use like this? Because we know that this one is the array, but this one is a rotated sorted array. But at here we need to compare into our rotated array. I mean, this is look like this, but in reality, this array is like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, and 9. Okay, so now if I use only pivot point, what is pivot point? Pivot point is at here. You see, it will come 1. Index of 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And ki fourth plus 0 plus 0. Then I divide by n. The note divide is reminder. Then it will give us 4. So it will check fourth index and fifth index. प्योर प्लस 1 किया ना, इसलिए तो it will check these two, then it will check these two, then these two, then these two. After that, these two, whenever we come into our 9, so it will stop and it give us an output. Okay, so now we will check if our next, not next, current is greater than our next, so it will give us return no. Okay, and if we out of this thing, and now I am going to one more thing, we need to check it is rotated or sorted. What happen if this one is like that, we have no 200, then our pivot point come at here, because this one is the minimum value, but this is sorted, but this is not rotated and sorted. So that's why we written also no at here, because one condition failed here. If it is, so now how we can check this is a not rotated, only sorted array. So for this we can check if our pivot point equal to 0. If our pivot point is 0, means our lowest value at the starting, so we will return no, or else, if all thing is well, then we will return yes. I think question is right, but I know I always did some compile error. Okay, again a compile error, no. Okay, yes, it's printed now, submit. Exceptions. So that's all in this question. Thank you so much. If you have some doubt, so you can comment on uh, videos, and that's all. Bye bye. Meet you again with next new question.